Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim and this is our Bountiful Kitchen. Today I am making my sister's favorite white chicken chili. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, let's go. Alright, to start this dish I need to add some oil to our pot here. And I'm using avocado oil like I always do. You don't want too much. I would say generously you want maybe a tablespoon, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Because what we're going to do is we're going to cook our chicken and we're going to have it kind of brown bits on the chicken. We also need to start our onion. So let's get that going. I have rinsed my chicken as I always do when I take it out of a package. So now I'm just going to cut it up into small bite-sized pieces. Alright, we're going to take this over and put it in our pot. This will really only take a few minutes to cook. I am going to add our onions. We do need to open our cannellini beans, drain them. I'm also going to rinse them. We also want to make sure that we're watching our chicken cook. We don't want it scorched or burnt. To our measuring cup here, I am going to smash down some of the cannellini beans. You don't have to do this. I am doing this so it adds some thickness and some texture to the chili. And I'm not even going to mash them down all the way. Just enough to give them kind of a mushy texture. Alright, to this recipe we are going to add, a handful, twice, of cumin. A handful of oregano. Pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 4-ounce can of diced chilies, and we're going to turn this down to a low. To our mixture, we're adding 3 cups of chicken broth, our mashed up cannellini beans, and the rest of our cannellini beans. We have our white chicken chili on a medium low. I want to make sure I stir it. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to let this go for 15 to 20 minutes. I want to keep stirring it. After 30 minutes, it's done. Alright, we'll see you then. Okay, I talked to my sister. I needed to add 3 cans of beans total. So what I have done is I've added a can of white Great Northern beans because I didn't have any more cannellinis. So it's almost done. Let's take a look. And there you have it. White chicken chili. To our white chicken chili, I'm serving it with a bit of sour cream and a little bit of my husband's favorite salsa verde, which is the Hernandez Taqueria street sauce. This stuff is amazing. Thank you for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye!